Hi everybody. So basically, yes, I must say, I'm sure all of you already feel like princesses. Don't you people feel like princesses? So that's what Indian Princess has done to me. It's like the person who I am today. I see a lot of difference from the person who I used to be maybe a year ago. And the way it's changed me, the way it's groomed me, I am just so thankful. Like, it's a life-changing experience. And as Shamini said, you don't have a competition from anybody else here. Your competition is from your own self. You need to compete with yourself and know, you all know where you stand right now. Trust me, after these few days, you might have realized the change which happened in Blue Ocean Resort, the training which happened, you might have seen some change in you. And overall, that is what it does to you. Not for now, for the whole life. You'll see that change coming up in you and you grow as a human being. So just believe in the beauty in the heart. Everybody is beautiful at heart. Just learn to love people, be happy, and respect whatever you get. Just make the best out of it. Which I did, and I'm really happy living my life today as I am. I stand tall, I am so proud of myself, and thanks to Indian Princess for that. I represented India in top model of the world 2015, which was also through Indian Princess. So, to get every opportunity, just believe in yourself, work towards whatever you want, and you will achieve it. I always follow this panda, it's like dream, believe, and you will achieve. So, all the best to everybody. Congratulations, and give your best. Be happy.
Sneha, I think it's come, that time has come where you feel bad that someone new is coming. I mean, you can remember those days, I guess, right? It was unexpected and you won it. That was really nice. And the best part about Indian Princess is nobody knows who's going to win. That is the best part. In fact, that is the best part. And I enjoy it the most because that's the reason why I look at you all equally. Right? When I said eliminations is good sometimes, so that it keeps you on your toes. It's not because I want you out, but because you need to know that competition is important. Because you need to be serious, that's most important. It helps individuals, every individual. It's not that I want to have it, but till you drop. And then the day after that, we'll be taking you out to a nightclub where you can party. And then after that, you have a technical run that's serious. So we want you to party before your technical run. And then we have the main event. So these are the days these are the 9 days that you go through, right? And thanks to Mr. Sunil Rale, thanks to Sir for making this happen, because I guess you guys, a lot of people in Dubai are waiting for you to come there. I've been getting a lot of calls. In fact, they were shocked that they were wondering where I was. Nobody had connectivity. Great batch, I would say. It's a nice batch. You've been very nice, very, very nice. Even the whole day today, I know what we've gone through, but I'm so surprised. Believe me, I'm very surprised. I would like each one of you to come and introduce yourselves to the press.
Congratulations, Stanley, for working with Fashion Week. How is it all?
Hello.
Sleepless nights? Yeah? I've represented India at Miss Tourism International 2000. I just want to tell you, just don't copy anyone, don't even try to copy previous winners, and she has her own identity and she's pretty in her own way, but then you try to make and try to do your thing, make your mark, basically. So, all the best, and that's it.
entire journey. Now the new people already arrived, new girls are arrived. What suggestion, what tips you want to give?
I just want to say that be confident about yourself. You are not less than anyone else here, and try to learn new things and try to make your journey as beneficial as possible, and just live every moment. Be yourself, be good to others, be confident, and believe in yourself.
Okay, season 7 is here. You know,
Yes.
even this Indian series have seen a long journey. What do you think personally? You know, what is the success behind this entire? You know,
I think it's this pageant is made the idea behind all whole pageant is really noble and nice. That's why it's gaining so much success. As we are told that it's related to two social causes, that is girl child education, and we support martyrs also, and who have led their life in wars. So I think that's what keep it going, and year by year we are getting bigger and better. Like last year we went to Thailand for the finale. It was our first world grand finale, and now this year we are going to Dubai, and now maybe next year Holland, and till Las Vegas. So we'll expand, and the beauty of Indian princess will increase with every year.
okay, how much I would say, how life is changed post Indian princess, especially Chandni. We also heard you also doing some films.
Yeah. The movie is I can't disclose the name right now, but it's a good movie, and it's a Bollywood movie, and I'm working as a main lead. I'm doing it as a main lead, and after Indian Princess, my life changed totally because people started recognizing me. Obviously, as a girl next door, I don't have so many mics and cameras looking at me and waiting to hear my views about anything. So now I have a voice, and which reaches up to people, and people recognize me. And after that, I got to international pageant through Indian Princess, and I could discover myself. I could reach up to the depth of myself which I couldn't earlier. So Indian Princess has given me that confidence.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Next.
I'm very excited for the show, for the finale. It's in Dubai, and this is the very special thing about Indian Princess, that the international that it gives an international exposure to the girls. So it's always international. Like when I won, it was in Thailand, and now this year it's in Dubai. So it's every year it's being great and even better than the last year.
What tips you want to give to the new girl who just arrived, you know, being a part of it? We're going on another journey.
Well, as much as I've seen, all the girls are very pretty. All of them are very good, and I really like all of them. I would just like to tell them that all the best for the finale. Give your 100%, because this is just once in a lifetime opportunity. This chance doesn't come to everyone again and again. You get to represent your country at an international platform, as I represented my country at Miss Intercontinental. So it's very great thing to win and shine.
So what success mantra you want to give? What is success?
The success mantra that I would like to give is that dream and then work hard to make it come true.
Thank you so much.